Hey guys, today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. So we're going to go over really quickly what's happening today. Today's objective or learning target, you can pull back that bow and arrow if you want. Shoot once. I can watch my teacher's video and follow her guidance to turn in an assignment on Canvas. So today you're going to be learning how to turn in an assignment on Canvas. So, first, you're going to watch a video of me. After the video, you will go to activity 1, right here. Watch the video at the top of activity 1 for me to read the text to you. Then you're going to submit the assignment. I'm going to walk you through it. When you click here, there will be another video of me. After submitting the assignment, you may do the brain break in your special area class for the day. So if you look here, you will see your brain break. There's a Go Noodle. And then your special area class for today is art. So if you click on the Go Noodle, it will play for you. You can make it big and do Popsico at home. And then when you finish Popsico, you can click on art and it will take you to a video of Miss Neville leading you through an art lesson for today. So you're done watching this video. The first thing I need for you to do is click on activity 1. See you in a second.